The history of travel, how tourism evolved over centuries. Travel is an intrinsic part of human history, a thread that weaves through civilizations and cultures. From the early movements of nomadic tribes in search of resources to the mass tourism industry of the 21st century, the story of travel is both a journey of necessity and desire. As we know it today, the tourism concept has evolved dramatically, shaped by technology, culture, economic shifts, and human curiosity. We will trace the fascinating evolution of travel, from ancient pilgrimages to the rise of modern tourism, while exploring why travel has been a vital part of life through the ages and why it continues to appeal to people of all backgrounds. Ancient travel, movement for survival and pilgrimage. In the earliest days of human civilization, travel was primarily driven by survival. Nomadic tribes roamed vast territories for food, water, and shelter. Though far from what we define as tourism today, this travel period laid the foundation for human mobility and exploration. Ancient civilizations and trade routes. As societies developed, travel became more structured. One of the most significant developments in the history of travel came with the establishment of trade routes. The Silk Road, which connected China, India, the Middle East, and Europe, is perhaps the most famous example. People traveled in Egypt, Greece, and Rome for trade and personal reasons. Wealthy Egyptians traveled to enjoy leisure activities like hunting and fishing along the Nile River. Ancient Greeks traveled to attend the Olympic Games or visit the Oracle at Delphi, while the Romans built an extensive road network to facilitate military movements and trade. The Middle Ages, the role of exploration and expansion. With the fall of the Roman Empire and the onset of the Middle Ages, travel became more dangerous and challenging due to political instability and the fragmentation of territories. Yet, exploration did not halt entirely. This era saw the rise of notable explorers and a renewed focus on discovering new lands. Marco Polo and the Age of Exploration. Perhaps the most famous traveler of the Middle Ages was Marco Polo. In the 13th century, Polo embarked on a legendary journey from Venice to the court of Kublai Khan in China. His travels, chronicled in The Travels of Marco Polo, fascinated Europeans and spurred a desire to explore distant lands. His writings provided valuable knowledge about the East and ignited the European imagination about the exotic and unfamiliar, sowing the seeds for later exploratory ventures. In this era, travel became more about exploration and expansion, particularly with the onset of the Age of Discovery. Figures like Christopher Columbus, Vasco da Gama, and Ferdinand Magellan explored unknown territories, driven by the desire to expand empires, find trade routes, and acquire wealth. The Renaissance and Grand Tour. Travel as education and status. The Renaissance marked a resurgence of intellectual curiosity, cultural exchange, and wealth accumulation, laying the groundwork for a new kind of travel, the Grand Tour. This period, spanning from the 17th to the 19th centuries, saw a shift toward travel for leisure, education, and cultural enrichment. The Grand Tour. The Grand Tour was a rite of passage for wealthy European young men, mainly from Britain. It involved extended European travel, with key destinations including Paris, Rome, and Venice. The purpose of the Grand Tour was to complete one's education by exposing the traveler to classical art, culture, architecture, and the society and customs of other European countries. The Industrial Revolution. Democratization of travel. The Industrial Revolution, which occurred in the 18th and 19th centuries, brought profound changes to travel. Technological advances, particularly the steam engine, revolutionized transportation, making travel faster, cheaper, and more accessible to the middle classes. The advent of railways and steamships. The development of railways in Europe and North America transformed the travel landscape. Destinations that once took weeks or months to reach by horse-drawn carriage or sailing ship were accessible in hours or days. Steamships reduced the time it took to cross oceans, making international travel more feasible. As travel became more affordable, the concept of tourism expanded beyond the elite. Middle-class families could now take holidays, and new leisure destinations emerged to cater to this growing demand. Seaside resorts, such as those in Brighton in England or Coney Island in the United States, became popular vacation spots for urban dwellers seeking a break from industrial city life. The 20th century, mass tourism, and the rise of air travel. The 20th century saw the explosion of mass tourism, driven by further technological advancements and shifts in social and economic conditions. The introduction of air travel, in particular, transformed global tourism. Air travel and the jet age. The invention of the airplane and the subsequent development of commercial air travel in the 20th century revolutionized tourism. Long-distance travel, which once took weeks by ship, could now be accomplished in hours. The introduction of jet aircraft in the 1950s and 1960s, with their speed and capacity to carry large numbers of passengers, made international travel more affordable and accessible. Airlines such as Pan American, British Airways, and Air France opened up new destinations and made once remote parts of the world accessible to the average tourist. Exotic locations like Hawaii, the Caribbean, and Southeast Asia became popular holiday destinations. Post-war economic boom and vacation culture. After World War II, the economic boom in Europe and North America contributed to a surge in tourism. Rising incomes, increased leisure time, and the expansion of air travel all contributed to the growth of mass tourism. The introduction of paid vacations in many countries also encouraged people to travel for leisure, leading to the growth of vacation hotspots like Florida, the French Riviera, and Mediterranean resorts. Tour operators, airlines, and hotels catered to the growing demand, and new types of tourism emerged, including adventure travel, ecotourism, and cultural tourism. The 21st century, the digital revolution, and sustainable tourism. In the 21st century, the tourism industry has continued to evolve, driven by technological advances, changing consumer preferences, and growing awareness of sustainability. The digital age, online travel, and the sharing economy. The advent of the Internet has radically transformed how people plan and book travel. Online travel agencies, OTAs, like Expedia, Booking.com, and Airbnb have revolutionized the booking process, giving travelers more control and access to various accommodation and travel options. Social media platforms, such as Instagram and YouTube, have also significantly shaped travel trends, as influencers and travelers share their experiences with global audiences. Why travel appeals to people across cultures and eras. The allure of travel has persisted through centuries, appealing to people for various reasons. Whether motivated by survival, spirituality, education, or leisure. Travel has been a fundamental aspect of human experience. Understanding the core reasons behind the appeal of travel can shed light on why it continues to hold such significance in modern life. Curiosity and the desire for discovery. Human beings have an innate curiosity to explore the unknown and a desire to see new places, meet new people, and learn about different cultures. This curiosity has driven exploration throughout history, from the early nomads seeking better hunting grounds to modern tourists visiting far-off lands in search of new experiences, cultural exchange, and personal growth. Travel has long been a medium for cultural exchange. Whether through ancient trade routes, pilgrimages, or the Grand Tour, exposure to different customs and traditions has fostered mutual understanding and respect between diverse cultures. Escapism and relaxation. In more recent history, travel has become associated with leisure and relaxation. With its constant demands and pressures, modern life makes escaping to a new destination particularly appealing. Spiritual and emotional fulfillment. For centuries, travel has been linked to spiritual journeys, such as pilgrimages to sacred sites or retreats in nature. These experiences provide an opportunity for introspection, self-discovery, and emotional fulfillment. Many people still seek out travel to reconnect with themselves, find peace, and seek a higher sense of purpose. The social and economic drivers of travel. Modern travel is also driven by social factors such as status, lifestyle, and economic opportunity. For many, travel is a way to showcase success or to achieve specific social milestones, such as honeymoons, gap years, or retirement trips. At A Bus on a Dusty Road, we talk about travel, life, and expat living. We are all about living life as a global citizen. We explore social, cultural, and economic issues in travel. If you want to learn more, visit bu.abusonADustyRoad.com.